Hello, this is a demonstration of the new features added to the Nostalgic Computing Center's branch of DtCyber. I intend to demonstrate building NOS from an expect script. The expect script is simply just a little bit of tickle, and I will show that to you. This was an auto-generated script using a tool called AutoExpect that recorded me interacting with DtCyber. I've done a little bit of edits to it to add in some sleeps and fill in, some other details I didn't think of in the original session. And what it's going to do is launch DtCyber, do a initialize of all the disks since we're starting from completely empty, and then it's going to do a sysgen full, and prepare our system for building sources. We also will in one of the steps be submitting a card deck which will update our network definition language and populate our network administrator user with a TCP host file, and that will enable us to run the FTP daemon and log into IIF when we restart the system. My more long-term goal is to keep pristine, unchanged original tapes and some source files in a Git repository and automate the generation of fully patched dead start tapes in various flavors and even ready to run systems, all from a source tree, so that all the knowledge about bringing up and patching no system, including all the patches and everything, live in a place that's easily tracked in source history. And also, hopefully, in a form to where other people can easily add new adjustments to the process and new features without having to go through a lot of manual steps. We've just started the system generation. We're loading permanent files from tape for various products and whatnot, and it's probably already created our modval file. I'm kind of cheating. I've already am using a Y2K patch dead start with this demo, but I want to automate building a patched dead start later on. Just going to wait a couple seconds here. Here we go. We're now doing a sysgen source, and that's going to load in decopl and build a procedure called file called install, and that's going to be critical. Shit. That's going to be critical if we want to actually build anything from sources later on. Once the script has thought that this has gone on long enough, it's going to launch dis and load in our OPL 871 and NAM5 871 permanent files that contain the sources for NAM and the core operating system. I kind of messed up right here in the script. I didn't put an E in front of that, so that didn't get sent to the console. I'll fix that in a later revision. Now Reclaim's going to run and restore those files. It's going to take a while and switch between two different tapes. Now it's going to attempt to do a clean shutdown of the system. Including some missteps that that got recorded in the auto expect run initially. I didn't clean that out yet. Okay, and now we're going to start it back up again manually. Level free recovery. First, we'll see that we can get into IAF. That's working. And also, FTP is working. And that should about do it for this demo. Thanks for watching.